What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you made money this week, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Listen, guys, I was lurking in the comments and I came across Wow Blood Crazy. And guys, he had a perspective that if you are rocking out on a 100K challenge, I want all of you to adopt this state of mind. Check this out. He said, I'm not a bull nor a bear. I'm a shark. I smell blood in the water and I follow it down. After my meal, I swim back up top as the apex predator. Both directions, never forget. Keep circling that money, my fellow sharks. That is what we are around here, guys. We make money in both directions. So days like today, when the stocks wanted to dump, is actually a beautiful thing when you take advantage of moves to the downside, okay? And so when you are a shark, this is the mindset you have, okay? The market goes up and down, okay? Bulls mean up, bears mean down. We are sharks. We want it all. We ain't leaving nothing on the table, man. I thought that was a great perspective I just wanted to share with you guys today. Listen, the market, I spoke about this in Discord this morning. The market was at or near all-time highs, and so I said to expect a cool off, aka a pullback. And so that's essentially what we got today. Everything dumped, everything was down today. And so again, guys, you want to always just be mindful when something feel like, man, it's been running for a long time. Maybe it's time for stocks to come down. I want you guys to be thinking like that, not being down and doom and gloom. Guess what they just did? They just gave us a buying opportunity. So I want you guys to know when there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. They allowed us to get these stocks down to a lower price. And then guess what? They're going to run right back up in a few days, all right? And so, again, understand what's happening. Understand how you can take advantage of it, guys. Let's go ahead and look at some of what was down on today. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. I crushed Tesla to the downside and Apple to the downside. Speaking of Apple, Apple was down 1%, a little over 1%, $3.30. Look at this. It fell from 59 or for 260, 259, 260 all the way to 253. I knew when they got up there, I saw them hyping up Apple on CNBC. Not yet, not today. I didn't get to see the market today. I was in the airport flying back. But yesterday, they were, oh, Apple about to be a $4 trillion company. And I think that's going to happen. It's inevitable, okay? But this pullbacks give you a chance. They need to get to 264 for it to be a $4 trillion company. Whether that happened this year or sometime in the first quarter of next year, that's going to happen. But if you can get it down here at 253 and you go up $10, that's a pretty nice move as it hits that $4 trillion market cap value, okay? But I tell you guys, the first test of any new major level, it gets rejected. So I bought puts on Apple. I buy calls and puts, so just so you guys know, I play this in both. This is an easy 100K play. 100K to the downside, 100K to the upside, okay? And so puts at 260, it came all the way down to 253 today. Boom, easy $10,000 first thing in market open, okay? But that was Apple down major today. Meta, another one, down major today. Ticker symbol META, sitting at $599.49. This one was down $3.49, almost 0.5%. Now, what I do like about this, although it got smacked to $590 was a low, and then $589, it made somewhat of a double bottom. You can even call this an inverse head and shoulder, even though it looks sloppy if you add that one in there. But it recovered. It kind of bounced up and it got back to $599, close to $600. So that's good to see. But nevertheless, guys, these are buying opportunities. These Meta, for example, will double. So I told you yesterday, if you see this in the fives, this is the fives. If you see this in the fours, you back the Brinks truck up, because it was when this is in the 6 and 700s, guys, you want to take advantage. Look at this, man. Still, even with that massive drop today, it still was up 1% on the week. All right, so don't get it twisted. They just dumped today because they're too close to the top. It's like if you pour a glass of pop and you got it right at the top of the brim. Sometimes you got to sip it down a little bit so it don't spill when you're trying to walk back to your table. Okay, that's how the market is, man. It's close to an all-time high. It's too it don't have no more room to run. So it's a rubber band. It needs to get pulled back, get some momentum so it can shoot higher. That's all today was, okay? So embrace it. Another one that was smacked today was Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, sitting at 78.95. This was down over 3.5%, $3, and then it's down another 18 cents in after hours. Okay, this one got smacked from 82 all the way down to 78. All right, so again, if you know all-time highs is 84. Just from 78 to 84 is a nice little play. All right, if it come lower than this, I told you 68 is where this likes to go. If it was to go lower, you need to look for that number, and it'll be 68 to 84. They do the same thing over and over. This was just a pullback and a chance for you guys to get in. But look, overall, this play absolutely crushed it this week. Still up over 6%. Again, making all-time highs several times this week. And so, again, guys, don't get it twisted. This is just today. Tesla got absolutely smacked as well, all the way down from 450 or 452. It got smacked all the way down to 426. Okay, it was down $25 to $35 today. It did bounce up to 439, but it couldn't get back above 439. So 440 is resistance, and it got smacked all the way back down here to 429.10. I keep showing you that number, okay? So next week, look for that number. If we can't get above 429 and 439, look for this to come to 419, guys. Keep the game simple, okay? This was down nearly 5% today, but it still just came right back to where it started from, basically flat on the week, okay? What else we got up in here? NVIDIA. This was just a buying opportunity. Ticker symbol NVDA. This was down nearly 2%. The $2.79 at 136.78 it is at the time of this recording, but it got smacked from 140, 139.64 all the way down to 134. So 134, 135-ish to be exact is holding as strong support. As long as we are above 135, guys, this is actually a good thing, okay? This can make its way back to 140. And then once it, again, this is just a break and retest. On the week, look at this. Always, if in doubt, zoom out. Always have the right perspective. Yes, they dumped today. One day, when you see what they did today, that's just a chance for you, Wall Street, and everybody else to buy for next week so you can run up, okay? And if we lose levels, then that's just your cue, okay? We a little shaky in the market right now. They want to go down a tad bit, so you make the adjustments. This is why you manage your risk, just in case you don't know what's going to happen in the market, and therefore you manage your risk just in case, okay? But this was up 5%. This was a good week for NVIDIA overall. And like I said, above 135, this is still a very solid play. This right here is just a buying opportunity. You're supposed to buy it here, and knowing it's going to 140, 144, 160, 180. Just keep it simple, okay? SoFi got smacked today too, 3.7%. This one was at 1650. It got smacked all the way down to 1581, almost $1. Okay, it did pop up to 1605 before eventually falling back down to 1590. Okay, so know those little levels, and right now and after hours it's sitting at a little under $16 at 1597. Okay, so listen, guys, this is just right now it's a healthy pullback. They dumped today. They've been running. Look, let's see. What was this? Up. See everything for the week. That's why I say have proper perspective. For the week, every stock I showed you got busy. But for the day, they are dumped. Okay, they all tanked a little bit. All right, so again, this is just a chance for you to get in. Hopefully you seen the levels it was at when you felt like you missed the train, you missed the bus. Okay, they brought it back. They spin the block for you so you can get in this time, and then boom, it's gonna go up again next week into the new year and into January. Okay, and then it's gonna come back down again. They're gonna just keep repeating the cycle. What are you gonna do is the question. Okay, stop missing opportunities to get in and buy and make yourself some money. Okay, with that being said, guys, listen, great job this week, but guess what, we're gonna do it all again next week. All right, so get ready, be in the Discord first thing Monday morning. Everybody else, consider joining the money team. If you haven't already, sign up for the 100K challenge. All you gotta do is just put your email in, just so I know you rocking out for this year. But listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.